Sobrang nakakatakot pala talaga ang Ohio-class nuclear submarine. Sa speech kasi ni US President Donald Trump sa ika-250th anniversary ng US Navy, yan palang nuclear submarine na yan ang isa sa tumarget sa Iran noong nakaraang pag-atake. At nasa West Philippine Sea yan ngayon. Ngayon alam ko na ang rason bakit nagtakbuhan lahat ng barko ng China. Baka kasi pag nagsimula na silang magtambak, pasabugin sila ng submarine ng US Navy. Nagbabala rin si Trump na kung magbabalak ulit ang Iran ng masama sa US, bobombahin ulit ng Amerika ang Iran. Isa nga lang ang mapapayo ni Trump sa mga kalabang bansa. Do not mess with us. Dito talagang nakakatakot ang Amerika kalabanin sa gera.
A few months ago, the Ohio-class guided missile submarine played an indispensable part in one of the most spectacular military feats the world has ever seen, the obliteration of Iran's nuclear sites in Operation Midnight Hammer. How did that work out? Pretty good, right? And we shot 30 Tomahawks, you know that. On top of, after the B-2, how about that? The B-2s, what they did, those beautiful flying wings, what they did, they hit every single target they hit. And just in case, we shot 30 Tomahawks out of a submarine, every one of them hit too. So I would say Iran was not particularly thrilled. They were going to have a nuclear weapon within a month. And now they can start the operation all over again, but I hope they don't, because we'll have to take care of that too if they do. I let them know that you want to do that, it's fine, but we're going to take care of that, and we're not going to wait so long.
China na ang may tuturing na pinakamalakas na naval warship sa buong mundo. Base kasi yan sa statistics. Sobrang dami kasi nilang barkong pandigma. Pero sa speech ni War Secretary Pete Hegseth, Amerika pa din daw ang may pinakamalakas na navy. Kahit gaano pa daw kadami ang barko ng China, hindi yan uubra sa Amerika. Sa bagay, may punto naman talaga si Secretary Hegseth. Aanhin mo yung maraming barko kung wala pa naman napapatunayan sa gera yung mga Chinese PLA Navy. Samantalang Amerika bihasang-bihasa na sa digmaan.
You know why the president always says we have the strongest, most powerful, most lethal, most ready military on the planet. And he's going to make sure we keep it that way. This is the perfect way to mark 250 years of the United States Navy. You know, President Trump has made our mission clear. America first and peace through strength with common sense at every turn. At the War Department, it is the War Department, we're committed to that core mission of peace through strength. And for the Navy, that means more sailors, more subs, more ships, and more munitions for all of them. The Navy and the Marine Corps embody the resilience of our country. Nobody in the world does it better than the United States Navy. Always remember this. Fact.
Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa pagdiriwang ng Amerika ng ika-250th anniversary ng Navy? Komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.